Hey, good morning guys. So today I'm going to be shooting my all new Howa M1500. It's a 308. It is my first bolt action rifle I've ever owned, so kind of excited. The only thing I've done so far is just put the bipod on it. I have ordered a few other goodies, so stick around for my next videos where I'll be putting those on. So two things need to happen today. One, I need to bore sight the barrel with my optic. And two, there is a break-in process for this barrel from Howa. They recommend a 20 round process, so what they suggest is you fire one round, clean the bore, let it sit for a few minutes, and repeat that process for your first 10 rounds. On your second set of 10 rounds, they want you to fire 2 rounds, clean the bore, and then let it cool down and repeat the process. However, Howa themselves, someone there recommended to me to do a 40 round process. So your first 20 are the single rounds clean. Next set would be the 2 rounds clean, and for the third set you do 5 rounds clean, and then the last set you actually do 10 rounds and then clean it and you're done. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pull the bolt out, and then I will look down the barrel, try to line the scope up with what I'm seeing through the barrel. Alright, so I think I got everything lined up. Kind of the best that I could do right now until I lay a round down and see where it's hitting. And then I can make my adjustments from there. Alright, first round, here we go. Alright, so I actually hit not far from the bullseye on my first round, so that's pretty good. I'm going to continue on with the process, clean the barrel, let it cool down for a minute, then continue that break-in process. Finished my 20 round break-in process. I decided not to do the 40. Well, my shoulder hurts, and I got some other things I need to do today. But I did the 20 round break-in, and I did zero in the scope, and I'm really happy with the groupings. So, been a good day.